To add the fixed gold token to the list of tokens in the Metamask wallet, log into your account and make sure that you are online Binance Smart Chain Network. If you do not have this network, then to add it, click on your profile icon and click Settings. In the window that opens, select the Networks section, then click Add Network and fill in the table exactly as on the screen. After all the lines are filled in, click the Save button. After returning to the main screen, you will see that you are on the BSC network. Then click on Add Token. To fill in the line address of the token contract, you should enter the address of the fixed gold smart contract. Please note that any user can create a token with an identical name, but it is the specific address of the fixed gold smart contract that will be the only correct one. Use the address of the fixed gold smart contract only from the official instructions. Scan website available in the video description. Paste the copied address into the token contract address line in your Metamask wallet and click Next. Then click on the Add Tokens button. Done. The token is attached. Now fixed gold in the Binance Smart Chain Network is displayed in your Metamask wallet. To view the address of your fixed gold wallet, go back to the home page and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then click on the Account Details button. In the window that appears, there will be a QR code and your wallet number. We remind you, in Metamask, the wallet address on all your accounts is the same, whether it is an ETH network or a BSC network. You can paste the copied wallet number in the ProfiXone Capital personal account to receive the fixed gold token on the blockchain to your personal wallet. Click on the icon of your profile and then the Settings button. Click Wallets in the profile menu, then insert the number of your fixed gold wallet in the appropriate field and click Save. Attention! For further transactions with the fixed gold token, you must have funds on your Binance Coin, BNB, account to pay the blockchain network commission.